Hello and welcome to TTWO Investment. This analysis is for TTWO Interactive Software on NASDAQ as of 15th of August 2026 with a share price of $246. The full report is on donation.ca. The current year multiple is 36.4 TWOX against a warranted 19.15x, a ratio of 1.90, which fires gate 3 and takes the decision matrix to medium quality X expensive. TTWO reported first quarter results on the 7th of August, reiterated its record fiscal 2027 net bookings outlook of $8 to $8.2 billion, and reaffirmed Grand Theft Auto 6 for the 19th of November in a filing with the regulator. The shares rose 6% on the day. Nothing in any of that is bearish, and the driver score of 80 is the highest of the 5 pillars, the strongest single reading in the report. So if you are looking for the thing the company did to earn a sell, there isn't one. The change is ours. Here is what actually changed. The previous report priced this name off a synthetic multiple, a blend of a stub year and a future year that landed at 25.5 times, half a point beneath the sector guardrail. An earlier version of this report then withdrew the valuation anchor altogether on the argument that no clean multiple resolves. An independent audit rejected that correctly. The framework allows that skip only for a pre-revenue explorer or a negative profit trough, and TTWO has 15 analysts publishing forward earnings and its own guidance. Computed properly, the current year multiple is 36.42 against a warranted 19.15, a ratio of 1.9, and 40% above the sector guardrail. We would rather publish an uncomfortable correction than a comfortable number. 2 hard gates now fire. The valuation ceiling goes from clear to triggered on the expensive band, reached on 2 independent legs, the ratio against warranted and the level against the sector guardrail. The binary event gate goes from caution to triggered on the 19th of November launch, which is a single dated event capable of moving this stock a long way in either direction. Both cap at hold at most, and a ceiling cannot lift a sell. One honest detail in the other direction, do not buy trigger 2, was adjudicated in full and does not fire. 36.42 sits about 5% below both of its thresholds. This is a sell, not a prohibition. The bull case here is strong and specific, and it is worth stating loudly against our own call. The path to $332 needs the game to ship on the 19th of November into a pre-order book the chief executive calls exceptional, sell through at the top of expectations over the holiday, and, the part that actually decides it, for the online economy to close its monetization gap to the biggest live service games. On that path, the market pays a franchise multiple for a decade-long annuity rather than for a single game, and today's price is justified and then some. There is a real anchor for it. The Electronic Arts Take Private completed on the 4th of August at 6.85 times bookings. Apply that and you get the bull number. And note the timing pillar rose to 64. The tape is with the bulls, not with us. A sell on valuation into a dated, well-telegraphed catalyst can look wrong for months before it looks right. And it may simply be wrong. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 34% above today, the base case, the most likely about 3%, and the bear case a fall of about 32%, so you are risking about 32 to make 34. So, our call on TTWO Interactive Software, on NASDAQ, sell on all 3 horizons. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by TTWO Investment at donation.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.